Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I just want to share with you how I made this delicious dinner for my family. Very easy to make. First, I have already peeled my Irish potato. Then I had my pan on the fire. I added my vegetable oil. Then I put in my sliced Irish potato. Then after that, I added my seasoning. I added black pepper. I added salt. I added seasoning cube. I added paprika. Then I turn it together. Then this is my egg I'll be using. I have 5 eggs here. I added my seasoning to my egg. I added seasoning cube and added salt. Then I stir it. Then after stirring it, I added my sliced onions, boiled pepper and tomatoes. Then I stir it. After stirring it, I added it to my already fried potato. Then I allow it to fry for some time. Then I flip it around with my flat plate. After flipping it around, I allow it to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then our dinner is ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my Facebook page for more videos.